Supreme Court is considering the fate of a restrictive abortion law in Mississippi. It could overturn Roe versus Wade. And after the first day of arguments, the historic 1973 pro-choice decision appears to be on thin ice. Joe Khalil is live outside the Supreme Court. Joe, what exactly did justices say about the case yesterday?
Well, they hinted at a lot in their questioning, Adrian, and that's why at this point, if you are pro-life, there is reason to be hopeful, and if you're pro-choice, there's serious reason to be concerned, because it feels like Roe is in serious trouble, and that it's not a matter of if, at this point, abortion rights are going to be cut into or restricted, but just a matter of by how much. That we're making that assumption based on the line of questioning, Adrian, that we heard yesterday from the Supreme Court justices during those oral arguments. It became pretty clear right off the bat that the conservative justices had no problem, no constitutional mandate that they saw to keep Roe intact. It also appeared that they all sort of suggested that this Mississippi law that bans abortion at 15 weeks would stay intact and would be upheld. So that's the sort of hint that we got just based on their questioning. And again, it became pretty transparent. Here's Chief Justice John Roberts at one point.
But if it really is an issue about choice, why is 15 weeks not enough time?
For a few reasons, Your Honor. First, the state has conceded that some women will not be able to obtain an abortion before 15 weeks.
So we've talked about this all week, but important again to reiterate that what happens here, if this Mississippi law is affirmed, is that it would open the door for states all across the country to make similar laws, potentially restricting abortion rights, limiting at what point a woman could get an abortion, or possibly banning them altogether. That is what's at stake here. And this may go without saying, but the three liberal-leaning justices all were very clearly opposed to this Mississippi law. That was very apparent based on their questioning. But again, they are outnumbered 6-3 conservative majority on the court. Adrian?
And there are a lot of people invested in the results of this case. When you were there on Wednesday, the crowds huge for pro-life and pro-choice demonstrators there. And a lot of people listening in yesterday to the discussion from the Supreme Court. Thank you so much, Joe. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.